Imagine getting fitter, stronger, and more toned in just 1 minute a day. Sounds too good to be true, isn't it? Well, stick around because we have got the research to back it up. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and join the plank party. Trust me, you don't want to miss the fun. First up, let's tackle the core, the powerhouse of your body. Research shows that planking engages multiple muscle groups, especially the core. Think of it as a one-stop shop for sculpting those abs. By holding a plank position, you're not only working your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, but also your obliques, back muscles, and even your shoulders. Now, I know what you're thinking. 1 minute, can it really make a difference? Well, a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that just 60 seconds of planking a day significantly increased abdominal endurance. So, if you want to have a stronger core without spending hours in the gym, planking is your golden ticket. But hey, we are not stopping there. Let's move on to benefit number 2, improve posture. Have you ever caught yourself slouching at your desk or hunching over your phone? Guilty as charged. Well, planking can be a posture hack. As we engage our core and stabilize our spine during a plank, we naturally promote better posture. There is a study from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science that found participants who incorporated planks into their routine experienced significant improvements in their posture over time. So, if you want to stand tall and confident, ditch the slouch and embrace the plank. Now, let's talk about benefit number 3, increase metabolism. Who wouldn't want to have a faster metabolism, right? Well, planking can help with that too. When you plank, you're just not toning your muscles, but you're also revving up your metabolism. A study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that short, intense exercises like planking can boost your metabolic rate, helping you to burn more calories throughout the day. So, while 1 minute might not turn you into a calorie-burning furnace, but it's a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism and keep it humming. Plus, it's way more fun than counting calories or doing math to figure out your metabolic rate. Let's keep it simple. Plank for a minute and feel the burn. Now, on to benefit number 4, stress relief. Life can be stressful, right? Work, bills, traffic, it just never ends. But fear not, because planking is not just about physical benefits, it's a stress-busting superhero too. When you hold the plank, you're just not engaging muscles, you're also forcing your mind to focus on maintaining that position. Studies have shown that exercises like planking can trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that help to reduce stress and anxiety. So the next time life throws a curveball your way, drop down and give us a plank. Your body and mind will thank you. And last but certainly not least, benefit number 5, increased flexibility. Now I know what you're thinking, flexibility? But planking is like the least flexible thing ever. Well, think again. Holding a plank actually works on multiple muscle groups, including those tight hamstrings and hip flexors. Research published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found that incorporating planks into your routine can lead to increased flexibility, especially in the posterior muscle groups. So, not only will you have a killer core, but you'll also be bending over backward. Literally. From a stronger core to improved posture, a faster metabolism, stress relief, and increased flexibility, the plank does it all. So, are you ready to join the 1 minute plank revolution? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you are ready to transform your body with this quick and effective exercise. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep planking and stay fit. Bye for now.